We're back with another knife review. Today is a unique one. We're going to do the modern slip joint knife, which is the Real Steel Luna Titan. We'll show it to you there. We don't normally do a lot of slip joints here, but this is the new craze this year, so let's go ahead and has about a 1/4 stop there. Alright, let's go ahead and talk about it. This slip joint is 6.625 inch overall. The blade is 275 inches. It is a Bowler N690 drop point satin finish blade with a flat grind. The handle length is 3.75 inch and the handle is titanium. The handle width is about, looks like 0.875 in that neighborhood. Weight is very light at 2.45 ounce. It can be used with either hand since it is a slip joint, but it is set up for a right hand tip up carry pocket clip. The clip is not reversible. Has a lanyard hole, a full length nail nick for opening, has some underneath jimping next to the minuscule choil, I guess to keep your hand from sliding forward onto the blade. This was designed by, I can't remember this one, Jacob, and I can't remember the name, Whiskey or something like that. I can't remember. It's a long name that it's very difficult to pronounce. Has a plain edge on the blade, and the blade has a 2.625 cutting edge. So let's go ahead and show you how it cuts. Obviously, being that it is a Bowler N690, it's going to cut quickly and easy. Since it is more of a gentleman's pocket folder, as you can tell there, it cut quickly without any fraying. A little fraying on here on the second cut. But for purposes of being a gentleman's folder, it's going to have a very strong tip cut. As you can tell, it cuts right through with very little pressure. Since it has a strong slip joint there, it's going to be pretty easy to do spear cutting. I wouldn't do anything too heavy with it, obviously, since it is a slip joint. But for cutting boxes, work warrior stuff, I think you will be fine using this gentleman's knife. Very nice little knife. I believe it is a, for titanium, I think it's like around $95. Not bad for a, a nice gentleman's folder. This blade only weighs, not the blade, but the whole knife only weighs 1.5 ounce. So I think Real Steel did a nice job here with this Luna Titan. We'll give you a close-up on it there. Try to cut down that glare. There we are. Alright. So those of you that are watching on YouTube, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. Subscribe to our channel. It's very important. We give away knives weekly and do a weekly show that will leave you informed and humored. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife for those giveaways and for all the knife picks we do and knife info during the week. On that note, this is the Real Steel Luna Titan. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off. Play the music now.